Great Wall of China. One of the most iconic structures in history, the Great Wall of China stretches over 13,000 miles and was built over several centuries by different Chinese dynasties to protect against invasions from nomadic tribes. The Library of Alexandria. Established in the 3rd century BCE in Alexandria, Egypt, the Library of Alexandria was one of the largest and most significant libraries of the ancient world, housing countless scrolls and manuscripts on various subjects. It is believed to have been destroyed in a series of fires. The Black Death. During the 14th century, the Black Death, caused by the bacterium Yersinia pestis, swept through Europe, Asia, and North Africa, resulting in the deaths of an estimated 75 to 200 million people, making it one of the deadliest pandemics in human history. The Renaissance. The Renaissance, which began in Italy in the 14th century, marked a period of cultural and intellectual rebirth, characterized by significant advancements in art, science, literature, and philosophy. It laid the foundation for the modern world. The Industrial Revolution. Starting in the late 18th century in Britain, the Industrial Revolution transformed society with the introduction of mechanized manufacturing processes, leading to urbanization, economic growth, and significant social changes. The French Revolution, which began in 1789, was a period of radical social and political upheaval in France, resulting in the overthrow of the monarchy, the establishment of a republic, and ultimately, the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. The Moon Landing. On July 20th, 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon, with astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin becoming the first 2 people to set foot on its surface, while Michael Collins orbited above in the command module. The Fall of the Berlin Wall. On November 9, 1989, after decades of division between East and West Germany, the Berlin Wall, which had separated the 2 sides since 1961, was finally opened, leading to the reunification of Germany and symbolizing the end of the Cold War.